exciting STEM challenge. Today we are going to be microwaving Peeps. For this experiment you'll need the packet provided, a pen or pencil, the Peep of course, and a microwave safe plate, which we both provided. For a little bit of background about this experiment, you need to know the three main things that make up a Peep. First is the sugar, very important tasty thing, of course. Second is the air bubbles, which is what makes it nice and squishy. Third is water. Everything has water in it. Now when we microwave water long enough, it becomes a gas, that steam that you see. I'm hoping to make that happen with this Peep. So, before we microwave it, we're going to have to start by writing down our hypothesis. Our hypothesis is basically what we think is going to happen. What do you think will happen when the Peep is microwaved? Will it grow? Will it shrink? Write your answer below. I think it'll grow, but you can think it'll shrink or anything else. A hypothesis is your own. I think it will grow. Next, go on to our observations, which is what we can see, feel, and feel about the Peep. So, before microwaving it, you notice it's very, very squishy, very soft, and very marshmallowy. I also notice that it's kind of cracky because of the sugar. There's a lot of sugar on these. So I'm going to write down squishy. Now comes the fun part, microwaving. But we don't have a microwave here in this room. So I'm going to take you with me to the little kitchen that library workers here use. Alrighty, this is the little kitchen where me and my friends who work here at the library eat lunch every day. And as you can see behind me, there's a microwave. Now, we're going to take our Peep and put it on a microwave safe plate. We're going to open up the microwave. And make sure you only do this with grown-up supervision. Do not do this by yourself, okay? And we're just going to slide it in there and close the door. Next, we're going to microwave it for 30 seconds. So look at that. It's all gooey and expanded. Now, don't touch it. It's very hot. Give it a few minutes to cool, and then you can eat it after we're done with the experiments. First, we're going to go back to where we were and talk about why this happened. Okay. And welcome back again. So, now that our Peep is cooled, you see that after it expanded, it has deflated. Now, the reason this happens is because, like we said, Peeps are made of sugar, water, and air. There are little air pockets all throughout the marshmallow. So when you heat it, the water in the marshmallow is going to get really excited, and then it's going to start to turn into steam. And that steam goes into those air pockets and makes them bigger, and bigger. So your Peep inflates. Here's a picture to help you visualize that if your microwave was like mine and you couldn't really see through the door. So you can see it's expanding as all those water molecules get really excited and turn to steam, and then it poofs up, and then it's done. And it deflates like this. Now, to finish our experiment, the most important part of an experiment is to write up. So, we go back to our observations. We write down what we observed after microwaving the Peep. I saw immediately after I took it out of the microwave, it was big and puffy. So I write down big and puffy. But then after I took it out and hit that cold air, it started to deflate. So I'll write big and puffy, but then it deflated. So after that, it's our conclusion. Based on your observations, what do you think microwaving does to a peep? Was your hypothesis correct? Well, after microwaving, I think it makes the peep expand from all the water turning into steam and expanding the air pockets. So it makes the peep expand. Now, my hypothesis was correct, but it's okay if yours was wrong. Part of science is getting things wrong, and it's not even really wrong. We're just experimenting and learning about the science, and that's what it is.